Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, concept is subject verb agreement and logical meaning. It says the relationship between corpulence and disease remain controversial, although the statistics clearly associate a reduced life expectancy with chronic obesity. So remain is your verb, right? And what will be subject? Relationship. Why or how? Whenever there is group of words before verb, subject will be before first preposition. And what comes before first preposition? Between is your that preposition, relationship comes. And relationship is singular, and that is why it should be remains instead of remain. So option A out. Now option B, same problem, remain, but it should be remains. Option C, same option, out. Now let with option D and E. D says remains controversial, although statistics clearly associate a reduced life expectancy with chronic obesity. E says remains controversial, although statistics clearly associates C. So subject verb agreement problem. It says associates. All right. And here it is statistics. So statistics associate should be not associates. Reduced life expectancy. When we do not use any articles before reduced, it plays a role of modifier. But we need a and this modifier is not associates but life. All right. If you want to know in detail what is modifier, the link has been given in description. You can go through those links to understand in detail about modifier. So here reduce, usage of reduce is incorrect. It should be a reduced life expectancy with. All right. So there are two problems. Option E, subject verb agreement problem, and usage of reduce without articles. So option E out. D becomes best option.